Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify SEO performance with Moz, full guide step by step clearly. To begin verifying your SEO performance with Moz, start by logging into your Moz account. If you don't have an account, sign up for one to access the tools. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard for your selected project. In the dashboard, look for the Site Crawl feature. Click on Site Crawl to initiate a scan of your website. This scan will evaluate various SEO elements and identify issues. Once the crawl is complete, review the summary report. Focus on the key metrics such as domain authority, page authority, and backlinks. Next, click on each metric to dive deeper into the data. Analyze the data to identify strengths and weaknesses in your SEO strategy. Return to the dashboard and proceed to the Keyword Explorer tool. Input relevant keywords related to your content or niche. Review the keyword suggestions and their respective metrics. Pay attention to search volume, difficulty, and organic click-through rates. Select the most relevant keywords and add them to your tracking list. Now, navigate to the Rank Tracker feature. Enter the keywords from your tracking list to monitor their performance over time. Within the Rank Tracker, observe fluctuations in rankings for each keyword. Document any upward or downward trends to refine your strategy. Next, access the Link Explorer tool from the main menu. Use this tool to analyze your backlink profile. Check the quality of your backlinks and identify any toxic links. Assessing your backlinks will help you understand your site's authority. Finally, compile all the data from the various tools. Create a comprehensive report highlighting key findings. Use this report to adjust your SEO strategies accordingly. Regularly revisiting Moz will help you stay on top of your SEO performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.